Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download a Netflix app on your Mac. When you go into the App Store, you can see that there is no Netflix app for your Mac. Let me show you that. You can see I cannot find it here, and that's because there actually is no Netflix app for your Mac, but I'm gonna show you how to create a shortcut for Netflix so you can put it to your dock and it will behave like an app, but it will open the Netflix.com website. So to do it, just go to your Safari browser. It has to be Safari because this feature only works with that browser. Then go to Netflix.com. When you are on the website, you can click on File in the top bar and find Add to Dock. Then set the name. I'm gonna just set Netflix, so it's a short name. I do not suggest changing the URL here, and then click on Add. And now you can see that this app is added to my dock. And now I can just close the Safari and I can open Netflix whenever I want. You can see that it behaves like a standard app. So it's not like Safari, it's just like an app. You can close it. You can also search for it in Spotlight Search, which you can access by clicking Command Space. And it opens like that. And it is also in the Launchpad. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.